Hello and welcome back. In the previous tutorial series we created a new table containing the list of actions to take when a free car is moving for unknown reasons. Now we are ready to return to our composite service and we can start really building the business logic. And the first part would be to go to the mockup service, mockup reservation system, to find out what is the actual status of the car. So in a few tutorials ago we created this mockup service. I think it was called vehicle status application, and here we have a service called vehicle status service. Let's visit that composite, what it looks like. So we had this vehicle status service, which basically goes to the database and returns back whatever is stored in the database as the status of the vehicle. So we can go back to this, our actual currently being developed service, which is this geofence event processor. And the first thing to do is to actually use that existing service, this mockup service. We need to drag and drop this web service element or adapter to this external references plane, and let's call this, for example, this service vehicle reservation system. And here we can dynamically discover what its interface is with this button. You can go and say there's this resource palette which enables us to dynamically discover from a running SOA Suite instance what services are available there. So let's go to this currently running system. There's this admin server, and we deployed our service under this partition code. A simple tutorial. So let's now find this interface, or this web service interface path using that one. We can I will copy this WSDL file and all the artifacts like the schema into this project. This enables me to later start this or open this composite service even if this vehicle status service is not running anywhere without error messages. So let's press OK. OK. And now I have this. Now I have integrated with the mockup service. I can drag a line, connect this BPEL process with that one. Double click and open this BPEL process. I think the kind of things should be familiar, so I will invoke. We'll use the invoke operation again. I will rename this to something like invoke vehicle status service. Then I will wire these together. This will start a wizard. I need to create again input and output parameters. Just name them, shorten a little bit these input and output variable names. And that's it. Now I have a composite service which gets an input, and then it calls this mockup reservation system. We could actually even test this at this phase. So let's see how this works. So let's go to here, geofence service, deploy to application server. I'll just click this overwrite, even though it's not there currently. I will deploy it to this partition which we just created, or in the beginning of this set, and then I just say OK. Sorry, I think I forgot something. I forgot this assignment operation. Sorry about that one. So I still need to assign this so of course I need to copy from this input I'm getting. I need to copy the license number to this before I can actually invoke the operation. So what I need to do is that I have this invoke vehicle status service, external service. It takes a single parameter. It should take this. Okay, it takes this license number, event time, and vehicle type, but it actually doesn't use the event time and vehicle type for anything. And then I have this input variable, and here I should have this asset ID. Let's assume that one is the license number. Okay, I can also copy this event time. I don't have a vehicle type, so let's put something like a standard, like not available. And these are just I thought at some point that I might need those, but I don't really need them for anything. So now we have a working system. Now we can deploy this one again. And let's see how this deployment goes. Alright, let's see what happens with this. Now it said, okay, deployment finished. Now we can go and test it. So let's go here and let's go to Oracle Enterprise Manager. Let's close some of those tabs. Logic. Welcome one. Oh. All right. Now we have this geofence service here. Click on that one, say test. And it has automatically created. So let's assume that this one is this one would be the license number here. 1, 2, 3. Object ID could be anything. So that might be the GPS tracking device ID. Location ID could be some location. Event time could be. It needs to be in this XML event time. Event class, event severity could be minor. Event text could be. Okay, maybe it's not available. So now we have populated these parameters and we can test this service. Now it should not return. And I'm not returning anything, so I'm kind of getting empty back because I'm not really doing anything. We can launch this trace to see how it ran, whether it really worked or not. Let's go to the flow view. Okay, we invoke this one, this guy. Okay, it gave us back rented, so we got the correct, let's see if we got the correct value. So in this vehicle status table, yeah, it's working, so we are getting back the right values. So, alright, so we have a very minimal system which kind of interacts with an external web service and it gets the correct values back. So in the next tutorial we shall continue with kind of looking what is the return value then and adding the needed logic to kind of complete this composite service. But this is all for this tutorial, so thanks for watching and see you in the next